Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I make you a tour of nursery. It's a nursery which includes air purifying plants, low light indoor plants, lucky plants, plant that release oxygen at night, plant release oxygen day and night, very different, very rare exotic succulents, very rare variety of plants that is readily available in this nursery. So you can go and visit this nursery and buy beautiful plants. So I am already showing you the plants in the pots. Just take a look at it. This is Ficus bonsai, which is 1900 rupees. And these are, you can see the beautiful pots over there, the plants and the pots, they include the prices with that. This is the beautiful poinsettia plant. This is Aglaonema, which is 990. This is a croton plant with the pot, it is 720 rupees. This is the 650 poinsettia money plant. You can see the beautiful containers, the pots, which if you just put these pots in your house, they make your house look extremely beautiful. These are the rare exotic succulents which you do not found easily in any other nurseries. So take a look at it. Succulents, any plant with thick fleshy tissue adapted to water storage. Some succulent, example cacti, store water only in the stems and have no leaves, whereas others store water mainly in the leaves. This is the beautiful plants. You can see that. These again the succulents. This is cactus. You can see that these very beautiful varieties of the cactus are here. This is the Aglaonema varieties. These plants are, this is a prayer plant. This is a very beautiful plant. If you keep your indoor, it makes your house look very beautiful. It's the best decorative piece and very easy to maintain. These are Aglaonema varieties. Lady Valentine. These are succulents. They keep a lot of varieties. This is Maria. Bougainvillea. These are beautiful plant having little waxy flowers of different colors. They look so beautiful if you just kept this plant in in your outdoor in hanging baskets. This is Lady Valentine. This is amazing plant. If you kept in your collection, your house gonna look much more beautiful, and the plant that release oxygen, so they have the properties. You just enjoy this plant and take it in your home. I'm going to take it. This is a very beautiful plant, very rare species which you cannot easily get from any nursery. This is baby rubber plant. These are money plant. These are Boston fern in the hanging baskets. They look absolutely beautiful in hanging baskets, and they are the summer best collection if you can add in your garden. Peace lily, the best air purifying plant, low light indoor plant. You don't need to water again this plant again and again. This is again the beautiful bonsai which is rarely available. These plants, this prayer plant, very beautiful plant, means again a very rare plant you cannot get in every nursery easily. These are the bonsai. These are the bonsais. You can see they are in the range of 1500 here. Peace lily in the small containers. Air purifying plant, best air purifying plant I say. See these beautiful plants, different beautiful foliage, very different foliage. See, wow. This plant, oh god. See this plant, the beautiful foliage of this plant. This is the croton plant. These are palm varieties. Poinsettia plant. This is more punky. It is said that it should be taken in, if you take it, just take 2 plants. See this beautiful foliage plant. It's the very beautiful colored foliage. This is the umbrella tree or Sclazoflera. It's again a very beautiful plant. Mori draft. The price is also mentioned. This is croton plant. This add a beautiful color in your indoor space. These plants also make your house look so beautiful. I can say that these are the best decorative pieces you can buy. Aglaonema snow white, again very beautiful. It's air purifying plant and very beautiful. This is Glazophlera. Very beautiful plant. I also want to add this plant in my addition in my collection. I'm gonna buy this. These also croton varieties. This is a Dracena. Very beautiful plant and easy to propagate plant. This is Ficus. Mostly people add this plant in the outdoor spaces. These are medicinal plants. This is lemongrass. This is curry patta, curry leaves. This is a flowering plant. This is the hybrid variety of Hibiscus. This is a very beautiful plant. You must kept this plant in your collection. It has different colors and you can easily propagate this plant from the stem cuttings. See this beautiful flower. This is star jasmine. And this is the bougainvillea. It's low-Q vine, commonly recognized by its flame-white clusters of a very huge flower, like brackets. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.